Hello everybody, Mulot here. And today, 2015-16 Champs from Upper Deck. Honestly, probably one of my favorite sets is the Champs series. I don't know why. A lot of people aren't a fan. I am. A lot of stuff to get. Many relics, many autos, many jerseys. A lot of cool stuff. So I'm just gonna dive right in. Oh, and don't forget the fish cards. Fish cards. Because who doesn't need a set of rare Canadian fish in their sets? I myself am looking forward to getting the fish cards. Sol. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. Open this bad boy up. It is 20 packs of 6 cards per pack. And there we have it. Let's just dive right in and see how she goes. Again, it reminds me of the old O-Pee-Chee base, just, cardboard cards. Nothing fancy about them, but I like them. I really do. Nick Leddy, Dion Phaneuf, and right off the bat, look at that. Dennis Savard, on-card auto. And a fish! And a fish card! Oh, that is awesome. I will take it. Fish card. Putting that one aside too. Kyle Turris and Brad Marchand. Dennis Savard. Even for a Blackhawk, I'll take it. Moving right along. Jonathan Drouin. Alex Galchenyuk. Lou Erickson. Chris Kunitz, some kind of parallel. De La Rose, rookie card for the Champ Series. And Zdeno Chara. What is this? I don't know if this is... Yeah, it doesn't even say what it is. It's just a variation, gold variation. Cool. Matt Bolesky. Mark Street. Brendan Saad variation. Oh, Traditions. Ray Bork. If I remember correctly, these are kind of hard to find. I'll come back to that one. Patrick Iliash and Curtis Lazar. I'm trying to think. The Traditions for Ray Bork. What did it say? Changes the shoelaces on his skates. Let me see, because I think the Traditions aren't easily found. I'm wasting too much time looking here. Traditions. Oh, I'm sorry. They're 1 per box. 1 for 23. So, well, 1 per every other box. But still, Ray Bork. I'm not complaining. And we have James Reimer, Brad Richards, Duncan Keith, Mikko Koivu, Sam Gagner, and, oh, a Victor Arvidsson rookie. I'll take that one. Ryan Kessler, Nico Niederreiter, Aaron Ekblad, Sidney Crosby, Mark Pumple rookie. Not familiar with him. Thomas Planek. Platonic. We'll almost through that pack. Kyle Laposo, Martin Hansel, Iliash variant, and Pierce Rock Northern Wonders. Anthony Duclair, Leon Draisaitl. Justin Williams, Seth Jones, Gustav Nyquist, Tyler Johnson, Blake Comto, not sure. And Brian Little, base pack. Awesome. Ryan Callahan, Chris Stewart, Adam Henrique, Patrice Bergeron variation, Colin White, TJ Oshie. Well, honestly, I'm hoping that Savard is not the best hit I get out of this box. I'm happy with it, don't get me wrong, but I was expecting a little bit more from Champs. Andrew Ladd, Sergei Bobrovsky. Oh, there we go. There's a Anze Kopitar relic. That's pretty cool. And then PJ Parenteau on the back. Anze Kopitar. Cool. I'll take it. Matt Zuccarello, Jacob Silfverberg, Tomas Tatar, Roberto Luongo variation, Nick Ritchie rookie. That's nice. And Victor Hedman. And for whatever reason, I can't get this pack open, so I'm just going to end up destroying it. We've got Brian Elliott, Marcus Johansson, Alex Ovechkin. Another fish card. Yes, smallmouth bass. I'll take it. Alex Hemsky and Brady Shea rookie. That's nice. Cool. About halfway through the box. We got James Neal, Riley Smith, another variation, a silver variation for Eric Stahl. Ooh, this one's numbered. Numbered 1 of 25. That's awesome. The first one that came off the press, or got stamped with foil, technically. Marian Gaborik, Mark Giordano, Andrew Kopp rookie. I'll take it. Thomas Vanek, Alexander Barkov, John Klingberg. Ooh, Jaden Schwartz variation, gold variation. David Perron and Abby to see you. Abby to see you? Happy to see you? That's how I always remember it. Alexander Burrows, Jonathan Huberdeau, Pekka Rinne gold. Yes! The Burbat fish card. Sweet. I'm getting a set of those. Mike Green, Franz Nielsen. Jake Allen. Mark Edward Vlasic. Corey Schneider. Pozo variation. Linus Ullmark rookie. Not up to date with my Buffalo guys. David Jones. Nick Cronwall. Nathan Kinnan. Derek Bouchard. Tuukka Rask. Patrick Hornquist. Roman Josi. Nothing special there. I've got packs falling all over. I'm just going to push those on the ground. Cam Talbot. Jason Zucker. Theo Fleury. Traditions. Famous food. Chicken wings. Really? Oh, buffalo chicken wings. Okay, that makes sense. I don't like chicken. I don't like anything on the bone. I don't eat hot wings. It's just not my thing. You know, you can comment about that below and tell me how crazy I am. I don't like buffalo hot wings or anything like that. So, Corey Krug, Vernon Fiddler. Give me a giant plate of nachos, and I'm fine. Evgeny Kuznetsov, Joel Ward, Gilbert Perreault, Chad Johnson, variation, Joe Thornton, and Mike McCarron, rookie card. All right, last 2 packs in this box. Except for the fact that I can't get them open. How come I didn't get any mini cards yet? That's weird. I thought Champs was known for minis. Anders Lee, Andre Palat, Ben Bishop, Ryan Getzlaf, Jonathan Bernier, and Anton Bibu for the Leafs. Don't know. Rookie card. Again, I'll take it. And final pack that I can't seem to get open. We got Lars Eller. Oh, Malcolm Subban. I like that rookie. Oh, there we go. Mikko Rantanen jersey card. That's cool. And then a Troy Brouwer. Awesome. Well, all in all, not a great break, but I'm going back to this guy. This guy saved it for me. Dennis Savard. What a great looking signature, too. On card and everything. All right, guys. Well, that's 15-16 Champs Hockey. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.